If your Android phone does not charge to 100% and instead always stops at 80% or 90% or something like that, it's usually because you have one battery setting enabled that's actually designed to expand your battery's lifespan. Where you find that setting is different depending on what kind of Android phone you have. On a Samsung Galaxy like mine here, you go to Settings, then scroll down to Device Care, and under Device Care, you'll go to Battery. Then within the battery settings, we'll go to Battery Protection. If this is on, the phone can limit your maximum battery charge to anywhere between 80 and 95%. If you prefer to have it at a full 100% instead, just turn battery protection off and your phone will now charge to a full charge every time it's connected to a charger. If you're using something like a Pixel phone, to go to Settings, then Battery, and under the battery settings, you'll go to Battery Health. Then from the battery health options, we'll go to Charging Optimization. If this is turned on, there's a setting between adaptive charging, or limiting to 80%. These will both limit the percentage that your battery charges to, so you can just turn charging optimization off and your phone will charge to a full 100% every time. Different phones use different names for this. Some call it smart charging or wise charging, but the functionality is the same on all of them. Anyways, that's how you make your battery charge to 100%. Click that like button if this helped you, subscribe for more quick guides like this, and I'll see you all in the next video.